The church was designed by James Dempsey and built in 1831. It replaced an earlier church that was erected in 1707 and had fallen into disrepair by 1744. The church stood just outside the village of Cathcart in the 1850s, and it was described as being in a Gothic style of architecture.
Records show that there has been a church in Cathcart since the 9th century. Some of the burials in the graveyards date back to the 17th century, including the tombs of the Palmedy martyrs, Robert Thorne, Thomas Cook and John Urey, shot by soldiers in 1685 for supporting the Covenanters' cause.